I know which scene I'm in now. It's the Valkyrie experiment. At last, I'll be sent to the battlefield to be their pawn. What kind of time travel is this? The start is so tough.
His blood is normal. Good. It seems the manic phase is over. The main function of the solution is to stimulate his brain. Should we cut open his skull to test his brain activity?
I knew it!
No, he's the first survivor. We better not do damage to his body for the time being.
Fine. Let's observe him for a while.
Just to be on the safe side, we should brainwash him first.
Here comes my worst fear. I can't get brainwashed. If they succeed, I'll be doomed. But I'm just at level 1. Come on, think of something. I got an idea. This is the bookshelf of those researchers.
What are you doing? Freeze! Wait, I want to know what he wants to do.
I was right. As long as I don't show aggression, they won't hurt me. After all, I'm the first successful test object. I knew it would work.
Web novel comics, never so easy.